भुवस्व पच्चवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. I am 6 years old. I live in Addinki. I have 4 members in my family. My father name is Satish. My mother name is Manjusa. My brother name is Madhusna. My school name is Happy Kids School. I am studying first class.